Here we have completed all the important topics of the Environmental Act, Environmental Law. And now we will see the important questions. First is, why is the 5th June celebrated as the Environmental Day? 5th June. The United Nations designated 5th June to be observed as the World Environmental Day. The purpose of the World Environmental Day is to spread the awareness about the threat to the environment due to the rising pollution levels and climate change. Means to spread the awareness. That's why the United Nations has decided to celebrate the 5th June as the Environmental Day. Second is, explain the polluters pay principle. It means that the absolute liability for the harm to the environment extends not only to compensate the victims of the pollution but also the cost of restoring the environmental degradation. The polluters pay principle thus imposes absolute liability in such cases. The one who pollutes the environment is known as polluter. So polluters pay means here the polluter is liable to pay the compensation to the environment. The 42nd Amendment of the Constitution is called the twofold provision. Why it is called twofold provision? Because the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution 1976 introduced a specific provisions relating to the environment in the Indian Constitution. It has introduced specific provisions to the environment in the Indian Constitution, this 42nd Amendment. As there are two main articles inserted, that is why it is called twofold provision. First is the Article 48A as a directive principle of a state policy directing the state to take steps and protect and improve the environment. First article is the 48A. It is the directive principle of a state policy, DPSP. It is directing the state to take such actions, steps which lead and which will protect the environment and which will improve the environment. Second is the Article 51A Clause G. It is to protect and improve the natural environment including the forest, lakes, rivers and wildlife. So these two articles were implemented by this 42nd Amendment of the Constitution in the 1976. That's why this amendment is called as the twofold provision. Explain what is the silence zone. So it is an area comprising not less than 100 meters around the hospital, educational institutions, courts, religious places or any other area which is declared as such by the competent authority. Means from these institutions, that is the hospital, educational institution, courts and religious places, from this the 100 meter, such an area is declared as a silence zone by the competent authority. So it is a duty to maintain silence in these areas.